tornado warning for northwestern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over southeastern Oklahoma City, or over Stella, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Shawnee, Choctaw, Hara, McLeod, Prague, Pink, Meeker, Davenport, Johnson, Sparks, Dale, Uwalla, Bethel Acres, Idlot, and Centerview. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 168 and 199. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.